Imagine this: a lavish mansion, an exclusive after-party packed with A-list celebrities, and explosive allegations against two of the biggest names in music. The legal battle involving Jay-Z and P. Diddy has taken a dramatic turn. But are the accusations credible, or is this a calculated scheme? Stay tuned as we dive into the details of a case that has the entertainment world on edge. What do you think? Is this a win for Jay-Z, or is there more to the story? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more jaw-dropping updates. This legal battle feels like something straight out of a Hollywood thriller. In October of last year, an anonymous woman, known only as Jane Doe, filed a lawsuit against P. Diddy. Just a month later, she amended her complaint to include Jay-Z, accusing both men of sexual assault during an after-party following the MTV Video Music Awards in 2000. The allegations are as disturbing as they are complex. Jane Doe claims she was only 13 years old when the alleged incident occurred. Recently, Jay-Z's legal team scored a significant victory. They were granted permission to file a motion to dismiss the case entirely. But is this truly the end of the road, or just the beginning of an even more intense legal showdown? Jane Doe's allegations paint a chilling picture. She claims she was approached by P. Diddy's limo driver outside the MTV VMAs in New York. The driver allegedly told her she fit what Diddy was looking for and invited her to an after-party. Later that night, Jane Doe says the driver picked her up and took her to a large, gated White House. Inside the mansion, Jane Doe alleges she witnessed drug use, underage drinking, and eventually became a victim herself. After consuming a drink she describes as a reddish-yellow mixture that tasted like orange and cranberry juice with something bitter, she says she began to feel disoriented. According to her, she went to a room to collect herself, but left the door unlocked. It was there, she alleges, that Jay-Z, P. Diddy, and another celebrity, referred to as Celebrity B, entered the room. Jane Doe claims Jay-Z sexually assaulted her first while the others watched, followed by P. Diddy. Jay-Z's team has aggressively challenged Jane Doe's claims, pointing out significant inconsistencies in her story. Here are some key points they've highlighted. 1. Timeline issues. Jane Doe alleges the assault occurred in September 2000. However, the law under which she filed her claim, the Gender Motivated Violence Protection Act, GMVA, wasn't enacted until December 2000, making it inapplicable to her case. 2. Location discrepancies. Jane Doe described the alleged assault taking place in a large white mansion located 20 minutes from Radio City Music Hall. Public records show no such residence within New York City limits, which is a requirement for the GMVA to apply. 3. Witness testimony. Jane Doe claims she spoke with Good Charlotte's Benji Madden about his tattoo on the night of the alleged assault. However, Jay-Z's team revealed Madden was on tour in the Midwest at the time and nowhere near New York. 4. Parental contradictions. Jane Doe stated her father picked her up from a nearby gas station after the assault. However, in a recorded interview, her father denied any recollection of this event and claimed he was unaware of the allegations until recently. Additionally, Jane Doe and her father lived over 5 hours away in Rochester, making the timeline and logistics questionable. 5. Inconsistent details. During a televised interview, Jane Doe admitted to mistakes in identifying key details, including the people present and the timeline of events. This has further fueled skepticism from Jay-Z's legal team. In a major win for Jay-Z, the judge granted his legal team permission to file a motion to dismiss the case. This means his attorneys can argue that the lawsuit lacks legal standing and should be thrown out entirely. Jane Doe has until February 28th to respond, but without stronger evidence, her case appears to be on shaky ground. While Jay-Z is currently only named in this single civil lawsuit, P. Diddy faces a much larger legal battle. He has been hit with numerous allegations of sexual assault and federal charges loom over him. If Jay-Z successfully has the case dismissed, it raises questions about whether P. Diddy's legal team will adopt a similar strategy. Attorney Tony Busby, representing Jane Doe, has hinted at filing additional lawsuits involving other high-profile celebrities. Could Jay-Z be named in future cases? While this remains speculative, it's worth noting the contrast between the flood of allegations against P. Diddy and the relative quiet around Jay-Z since this case emerged. If Jay-Z's motion to dismiss is successful, it could set a precedent for similar cases. However, if the judge allows the case to move forward, it could lead to a drawn-out legal battle with potentially career-altering consequences for all parties involved. What's your take? Do you think Jay-Z's defense team has made a strong case for dismissal, or do the allegations warrant further investigation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Stars Under Fire for the latest updates on the legal dramas of the rich and famous. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a story.